Hey guys, it's me, Got 38 here. I am on vacation. Just want to let y'all know I did get the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it for you. All right, so like we have these little pull tabs. So let's go ahead and pull them. All right, so look, y'all, look at my box. It came like that, scratched up. I do not like that. But this it like it's raised up right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. But anyway, let's go ahead. Look at, oh, that's so pretty. All right, so we have the braided cable, and that's it. And some paperwork. Who cares about the paperwork? That is so pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like it because of the two-tone, but now that it's in my hands, it looks pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and take the peeling off. Everybody like this part. Ooh, ooh, that looks good. Look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on. See if we got some power. There you go. There's the Apple logo. I did get a case for this phone, but I'll do that in another video. But here we go. I hope y'all get my experience of the pre-order. Oh, there you go. Oh, that look cute. That look cute. Got halfway charged. All right, English, United States. We're gonna do the default. Set up without another device. Don't want to set it up without another device. I don't know. But anyway, I just want to let y'all know that I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange. And yes, that was my unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, guys. Peace. I'm going back to my vacation now.